Bobcat walk-behind aerators are designed to safely and efficiently aerate lawns. Before using the aerator, it is crucial to familiarize yourself with the instructions in this video, as well as the operation and maintenance manual and the engine manual to avoid injury to yourself, others, or damage to the machine. In addition, always comply with any local regulations that may apply. You will see the safety alert symbol throughout the operation and maintenance manual and on pictorial safety signs. This identifies important hazards you should avoid to reduce the possibility of serious injury or death. Always follow the instructions in the safety message. While it is impossible to cover every situation you may encounter during operation, this video presents several topics, including safe handling and operation, safety features, terrain considerations, and other safety precautions. Your aerator was built with safety in mind, but safety also depends on you. Operators should receive training in the safety features and operating practices of the aerator. Familiarize yourself with the safety signs on your aerator and replace any that are damaged or missing. Perform the rest of your daily inspection before operating the machine. Wear appropriate safety gear, including hearing protection, safety glasses, closed-toed shoes, and long pants. Avoid loose clothing or jewelry to prevent entanglement with the machine. Securely tie back long hair. As with any gasoline-fueled machine, do not operate in enclosed areas. Avoid operating under low-light conditions. Do not operate if you're experiencing drowsiness or under the influence of alcohol or drugs that may affect your judgment or reaction time. Check for job site hazards and surface conditions. Ensure the operating area is free of obstructions like rocks, debris, sprinkler heads, or other objects that could be damaged or thrown by the machine. Be mindful of obstacles in the operating area. If you can't remove an obstacle, mark it so you can navigate around it. Exercise caution near drop-offs and uneven ground. Bobcat aerators are designed for single-operator use. Do not operate when bystanders, especially children or pets, are in the area. Establish a safety zone to ensure that the aerator is operated at a safe distance from such hazards. Additionally, make sure the ground has been prepared for your job. You should avoid aerating wet turf and operating on slopes where loss of stability and traction could occur. Turf that is too dry may limit penetration and could damage the tines. Ensure the handle is locked in the operating position. With the tines in the transport position, rotate the water drum so that the fill plug is on top. Fill the drum with water and replace the plug. Before starting, open the fuel valve, move the choke to the appropriate setting, and ensure all controls are in the neutral position. To start the engine, move the engine switch to the on position and pull the recoil starter slowly until resistance is felt. Then pull quickly. The throttle control is located at the operator position and sets the operational speed of the machine. Adjust the speed by moving the throttle control towards the fast symbol to increase the speed and towards the slow symbol to decrease the speed. Before you begin aerating, adjust the throttle lever to your desired speed. While operating, remember to always keep away from moving parts. When ready to aerate, push the transport lift handle down to lower the tines to the turf. Pull back slowly on the clutch control handle to propel the unit forward and begin aerating. For optimal penetration, apply downward pressure on the handle until the drum is off the ground. At the end of the pass, release the clutch control handle to stop the machine. Raise the transport lift handle and pivot the unit on the water drum. Raise the tines before crossing hard objects or surfaces such as sidewalks and stepping stones. To stop the engine, release the clutch control handle and raise the transport lift handle to move the unit into the transport position. Ensure the tines and all moving parts have come to a complete stop before leaving the operator position. Move the engine switch to the off position. If the engine has a fuel shutoff valve, be sure to turn it off before transporting the machine off-site. Drain the water drum and replace the plug. When transporting your aerator, follow the instructions in the operation and maintenance manual. If preferred, remove the weights before transporting. On select machines, the handle can also be folded. Regular maintenance of your aerator promotes safe and efficient operation. Failure to maintain your machine will result in excessive wear and early failures. Gasoline is extremely flammable, and gasoline vapors are explosive. Use extra care when handling. A fire or explosion from gasoline can cause serious injury or death. Allow the engine to cool before fueling. Fill the fuel tank in a well-ventilated area and with the machine on level ground. Do not overfill the fuel tank. Make sure the fuel cap is correctly installed. If fuel is spilled, do not attempt to start the engine until the spill is cleaned up and vapors have dissipated. Keep fuel containers electrically grounded to prevent static electricity sparks. Perform your daily inspection. Maintenance procedures that are not addressed in the operation and maintenance manual must be performed only by qualified service personnel. Operators should be trained in the safety features and operation practices before using Bobcat Aerators. It is essential that training be provided in a language the operator can understand and that they have opportunities to ask questions. Training should cover the key points discussed in this video. Operators should receive refresher training when covering new terrain, operating new equipment, or whenever deemed necessary. Always use your best judgment and be aware of your surroundings. Remember the safety instructions from this video, the operation and maintenance manual, and engine manual when operating your aerator. These tips will help you get the most out of your Bobcat aerator and allow you to stay safe while getting the job done. For additional information, technical specifications, or training resource information for all Bobcat equipment, contact your dealer or visit bobcat.com/training.